Jai Hind friends, welcome to all on our amazing YouTube channel Defense Prep Zone. Today we are discussing about important and current GD topics in various interviews, Air Force interview or SSB in the NDA or CDS. So today we are discussing about green growth. What is green growth and what is the importance of green growth, advantages and the challenges which we face during the economic or green growth. So watch the complete video. Now first we have to know the establishment of green growth. Okay, establishment of green growth. So first we have to know about the establishment of green growth. At fifth ministerial conference on environment development, which is called MCED. Okay, ministerial conference environment and development on environment and development held in March 2005 in Seoul. Seoul is a city of South Korea. South Korea. Okay, and it was founded during the fifth ministerial conference on environment and development in the year 2005, and in this our India rank 169 out of 180 in this environment performance index of 2022. Okay, so we start our topic that or the importance and the what is the green growth. So first we have to know the introduction and the topic green growth. Okay, in the quest of economic growth, countries have long relied on natural resources. Yes, जब हमारी बात आती है ग्रीन ग्रोथ की, तब हम टोटली डिपेंड हो जाते हैं अपने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज लाइक jungles and the forests, which are the important resources and the natural resources, which has led to the environment degradation and climatic change. और यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि क्लाइमेट चेंज होने के चलते हमारे इन्वायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन शो हो रहा है, जो कि हमारे फॉरेस्ट वगैरह डिफॉरेस्टेशन के थ्रू, लैंडस्लाइड, सॉइल इरोजन के थ्रू हमारे जो फॉरेस्ट वगैरह हैं वो डिक्लाइन हो रहे हैं. फॉर द ग्रीन ग्रोथ however offer an alternative approach that seeks to balance economic growth with environmental sustainability. Thus this is the important factor which we have to know. Environmental sustainability is the ability to maintain the ecological balance. What is mean it? What is the environmental sustainability? It is ability to maintain the ecological balance in our planet's natural environment and conserve natural resources. It means the important point here is the 1 minute. Okay, wait a minute. No problem, no problem. This side we will continue. Okay, ecological balance is the many important factor of the environmental sustainability. इन्वायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी, हमें इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस अच्छा रखना पड़ेगा इसके लिए. इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस. ओके, इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस एंड कंजर्व नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को कंजर्व करना पड़ेगा. ओके, कंजर्व करना पड़ेगा, जिससे कि हम आने वाले दिनों में और अच्छा बेहतर कर सकें और अपनी जो हमारी रैंक 169 है आउट ऑफ 180 कंट्रीज़, जो कि बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, उसको हम सुधार सकें. ओके, so here green growth was one of the 7 primary objectives in the union budget 2023 to 2024. सेवन्थ प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव इन द यूनियन बजट. इसको हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने सेवन्थ प्राइमरी पोजीशन ऑब्जेक्टिव लिया है कि ऑन वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द ग्रीन ग्रोथ, रेंजिंग क्रेडिट, ग्रीन ग्रोथ, green energy, green mobility and green farming. Let us discuss the concept of green growth, its benefits and its challenges. Okay friends, So we are now going to discuss and what is the green growth, the, which is very important factor for us. Green growth is an approach to economic development that emphasizes the sustainable use of natural resources. Economic development or the economic sustainability is the very important factor of the green growth, that the practice of recycling and reducing pollution. इकोनॉमिक के थ्रू हमें क्या करना चाहिए, रिसाइकलिंग एंड रिड्यूसिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू हम अपनी इकोनॉमिक सस्टेनेबिलिटी जो है उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. ओके. द रिडक्शन ऑफ इन्वायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन, ये देखिए ये रहा इन्वायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन का रिडक्शन, एंड ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशन, that is the main cause of the CO2. The main aim to promote economic development in the manner that does not jeopardize the capacity of future generation to fulfill their requirement. Okay, now we'll move to the next factor. The green growth concept emphasizes the importance of improving resources efficiency. Yes, we have to, if we have to improve our green growth, then we first have to improving the resources efficiency, investing in renewable energy. Renewable energy, like the mechanical energy, when the mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy for through water, then this water is this water we can reuse it through by the process of the motor or the electrical appliances. Source and promoting sustainable production and consumption patterns through the source of environment, promoting sustainable production and consumption patterns. Okay, so now we will discussing about the benefits of economic or environmental growth. Economic growth, what is the economic growth? Economic growth can be led to economic growth through the creation of new industries and jobs in the renewable energy. देखिए इसमें जो हमारे रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी है इसको ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण मतलब कि इम्पोर्टेंस दी जा रही है, क्योंकि ये रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के थ्रू ही हम अपने जो ग्रीन ग्रोथ है उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. एंड सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर्स, अ शिफ्ट टूवर्ड्स सस्टेनेबल इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट ऑफ इन्वायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. और जो हमारा इन्वायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन हो रहा है उससे भी हमको बचाएगी कौन, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. And what is environmental protection? By reducing greenhouse gas emission, which is CO2, green growth can mitigate climate change and protect the environment. Okay, it can also reduce pollution level, improve air and water quality and protect biodiversity. Yes, due to the scarcity or the declination of the forest, or the scarcity of the plants and trees, the pollution are very too much, so that we have to do afforestation on to our areas and do not decline the forest through the deforestation process. And here we are discussing about social equity. Green growth can promote social equity by creating job opportunities, particularly in rural areas, and improving access to basic services like clean water, sanitation, and energy. It can also improve the health and well-being of communities by reducing pollution level. Yes, हम सोशल इक्विटी जो हमारे ग्रीन ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है उसको हम तभी सही कर पाएंगे जब हम रिड्यूसिंग पोल्यूशन लेवल, हमें पोल्यूशन लेवल को रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा ड्यू टू. और वो कैसे होगा, हमें रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारे सोलर एनर्जीज आ रहे हैं और अब हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स आ रहे हैं, हमको ईवी भी यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. एंड नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रीन promoting green growth. What is the factor for promoting green growth? Okay, the tailoring green growth strategies to promote sustainable development. Green growth strategies must be customized to suit specific country circumstances, encompassing social, economic, environmental, technological, financial development and aspects in the comprehensive frameworks. So, promoting the green growth is the important factor. So, we will study economic growth should not be at the expense of environment, and therefore it is essential to focus on balancing all these elements for sustainable डेवलपमेंट. हमको हर तरफ हर चीज़ पर फोकस करना पड़ेगा, चाहे वो हमारा कम्प्रिहेंसिव फ्रेमवर्क हो, टेक्नोलॉजिकल, फाइनेंशियल या डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक एंड द सोशल. हमें हर चीज़ को बैलेंस करके चलना पड़ेगा, तभी हम जो हमारा ग्रीन ग्रोथ का एक टारगेट है वो हम अपना पूरा कर पाएंगे. ओके, now we will move to the next. What is or the promote sustainable consumption. Promote sustainable consumption, encourage sustainable consumption pattern such as buying locally product produced goods, locally produced goods, reducing food waste and using public transportation. अब हम देखिए पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एज वी नो दैट द जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ जो बहुत बड़े लोग होते हैं वो हमेशा अपनी प्राइवेट कार, मोटरसाइकिल, बाइक वगैरह ये सब यूज़ करते हैं. और वैसे हमें अगर इस ग्रीन ग्रोथ के लिए हमें कुछ करना है तो हम अपने साथ एक काम कर सकते हैं कि हम अपने खुद का प्राइवेट प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स ना यूज़ करके हम वहाँ पर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जिसके ज़रिए हमारे जो पोल्यूशन है वो पोल्यूशन कम एमिट होगा हमारे व्हीकल्स से, जिसके ज़रिए जो हमारा पोल्यूशन रेट है इन्वायरमेंट से वो कम हो जाएगा और हमारा जो ग्रीन ग्रोथ है, जो टारगेट है वो हम अपना अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर सकेंगे. एंड ग्रीन ग्रोथ में हम अपनी रैंक भी जो है वो सुधार सकेंगे. रैंक हमारी थी 169th आउट ऑफ 180 कंट्रीज. ओके, शैल वी मूव. इन्वेस्टिंग इन लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी. इन्वेस्टिंग इन लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी. अब हमें इसमें लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. जैसे कि आगे हम पढ़ते हैं, सॉरी, investing in renewable energy and in green technology is an effective way of foster green growth. Long-term investment in environmental sustainability can promote economic resilience. Okay, long-term environmental sustainability or long-term investment in environmental sustainability can improve or promote our economic resilience, diversify the economy, and enhance the relationship between the environment and the economy. So, what is the challenges that we face during these processes of promoting the green growth? Now we will discussing the challenges. Okay, high cost. अब हमारे ये भी बात आ जाती है, जब हम किसी चीज़ को लेकर के इनोवेटिव तरीके से हम जागरूक होते हैं तो उसमें हमारी एक जो मेन दिक्कत आती है वो हाई कॉस्ट की भी रहती है, क्योंकि इसमें पैसे, हर चीज़ किसी भी चीज़ को हासिल करना है तो पैसे बहुत लग रहे हैं. सो द ट्रांजिशन टू अ ग्रीन इकोनॉमी रिक्वायर सिग्निफिकेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में हमको बहुत पैसे लग रहे हैं. एंड जैसे कि हम रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में हो गया सोलर, विंड, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक. सो इसमें पैसा कंजप्शन जो हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट है और जो इसमें वैल्यू कंजप्शन तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. सस्टेनेबल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजीज. डेवलपिंग countries may face financial challenges in making these investment. Yes, developed countries is different from the developing countries, and the developing countries may face the financial challenges during these investment, making these investment in the green or renewable energies. So the next factor is political will. The government may lack the political will to implement green growth policies, especially if it means sacrificing short term economic gains. Private sector interest may also resist changes to the status quo. And the technology obstacle that we face is during the economic growth or the green growth. Technological obstacle. Green growth require development and adaptation of new technologies. Adaptation of new technologies. There are currently not widely available. Yes, that are currently widely not available at the time. दिस कैन पोज टेक्नोलॉजिकल बैरियर। जैसे कि हमारे पास तीन बैरियर आ गए, एक पॉलिटिकल क्राइसिस और पॉलिटिकल व्हील, एंड फर्स्ट वन इज द and the technology obstacles. Okay, so uh, about all over the discussion about the green growth, we move to our conclusion that we what we have to do and what is the mean for the green growth. Is green growth is a strategy for achieving sustainable development. Sustainable development, again I will tell you, sustainable development or the economic sustainability is the practice support long-term economic investments without negatively impacting on social environment, like recycling and reducing the pollution. That requires a shift in the way we produce and consume goods and services. It requires the promotion of sustainable production. Sorry. No problem, no problem. Okay. Hello. Hello. Yes. Promotion of sustainable production and consumption. Production of sustainable production and consumption practices, investment in renewable energy, and the development of sustainable infrastructures through technology. The key to success is to establish a policy framework that promote green growth, create incentives for business and individual to adopt sustainable practices, engage stakeholders, build capacity and monitor the evaluate progress. By implementing a strategy for green growth, we can move towards more sustainable future. Okay, now we will move. Our topic is being finished. In this topic, we will learn about the importance, advantages, and the challenges, and how to promote the green growth we can do. So, thank you friends, and come watch the complete video and support the channel for the next video. We will discussing the more important and interesting topic which is currently in the GD or group discussions in the various interviews and SSBs. So support the channel, please share and subscribe, like the channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. So we I make for you the most reliable and authentic material for these topics. Okay, Jai Hind friends.